Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to turn off notifications in Apple CarPlay without affecting iPhone alerts. Apple CarPlay helps you stay connected while minimizing distractions when you are behind the wheel. However, if you still get flooded with app notifications, this useful feature can quickly become more annoying than helpful. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you turn off notifications in Apple CarPlay. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I'm going to tell you disable CarPlay notifications for specific apps to turn off alerts from a particular app when using CarPlay. For this, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and go to Notifications. Tap on it. Scroll down and select the app whose notification you want to turn off when connected to your car over CarPlay. Next, toggle off Show in CarPlay under the Alert section and you are done. Next, use driving focus to silence all notifications. If manually turning off notification for each app feels like a hassle, you can use the driving focus instead. This mode automatically limits incoming notifications and calls to help you stay focused on the road. For this, bring up the control center and then tap on the focus title. Tap on driving and you are done. Alternatively, you can set the driving focus to enable automatically based on the motion or when connected to car's Bluetooth and CarPlay. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and choose Focus, or you can search it from here. And then choose Focus. Next, choose Driving. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of While Driving. Tap on it. From here you can choose Automatically, or you can turn on Activate with CarPlay. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to hide an app from CarPlay home screen. For this, open Settings. Next, scroll down and choose General option. Scroll down and choose CarPlay. Choose your car from the list of connected vehicles under My Car section. Then tap on home screen icons under Customize and tap the minus icon that appears before the app you want to remove and then tap Remove. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to turn off notifications in Apple CarPlay without affecting iPhone alerts, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.